What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And of course, the once mighty pumpkin, as you see there, she is no more. So let me get you caught up on what's been happening around here lately. So obviously, pumpkin's not where it was. I took it and put it around front yard just so we can enjoy it while it lasts. Like I said in the last one, I think it was around 75 pounds. Some people around here, they tell me that's good for just Walmart seeds. I was hoping for a little better, of course, as everybody knows, but it just didn't happen. This portion of the vine that came out that was feeding that pumpkin looked pretty close to that over there, and so I cut it off. And I was doing that so hopefully if it was infected with something it wouldn't spread. I think it's pretty well doomed any way you look at it, but I'm going to take out these two vines here that are pretty yellowed and dead today, and then I may just have this one little green piece here which has actually got a little pumpkin on it, still trying to pop out there. And then this one over here, it actually has a pumpkin that I've seen the other day and I was trying to grow, so that's why I went ahead and deadheaded it off. I don't know if it'll last, just because it looks like, as you can see, it's just kind of migrating this way through the leaves, and I would say this whole thing will be dead before you know it. But in the meantime, I may try and just see what I can do with that. If this vine that comes off, this secondary portion, stays alive. Just for fun. I mean, what could it hurt at this point? I've already lost the rest of the plant, so we'll see what that does. Hopefully it keeps going, but I'd say by next video this whole plant will be gone. So, once mighty pumpkin, gone down the drain. On the bright side though, we still have my little sunflower patch, so I'll show you that here also, and then we'll move around front and we can look at my other pumpkin. So sunflowers came up, they're blooming. Some of them's already starting to die off back a little bit. These are getting a little unstable down here, but they've made some pretty decent sized heads on them. The butterflies and the bees have loved them, and I'm hoping that the birds this fall will enjoy them also, whenever they're coming and eating on some of the seeds, hopefully. So pleased with the sunflowers overall. Probably got them a little too close together. They didn't ever get real tall, but it's been a weird year, so hopefully they at least make some seeds and we can plant again next year. Hopefully you can hear me over the wind. It's a little blustery out today. If you've watched some of my older videos, you know that I had a second pumpkin that I put out and I was just kind of letting it do its own thing. Well, inadvertently, it's only grown one pumpkin. I had two on it at one point. The other one I came out, it was dead one day. So only one pumpkin came out of this. I've not treated it in any way close to the way I did the last pumpkin, but it is still hanging in there. I also got me a watermelon out here, so I might show you out here too, but I'll get you turned around and you can see this pumpkin that I really haven't done much to. So just kind of uncovered him there for you for the second. Vine just kind of went down the hillside here. Like I said, I never tried to bury the vine or anything. Only had one secondary vine come off this thing. It never did a whole lot, but it has made me a nice little pumpkin here. So hopefully he stays with it. He is cracking. Probably not had the best shade on him there, but he's probably about a half to a third the size of my other pumpkin. I haven't watered him a whole lot. I mean, just daily waterings. Gave him a little fertilizer here and there, and so far this is all he's done for me. Not probably the best genetics. Again, Walmart seeds, Walmart pumpkin, and not the utmost care. Just trying to grow a pumpkin just for something that I could put on the porch, you know, here this fall. So that guy will probably serve that purpose if he gets any bigger. He hasn't put on any growth. He may die just like the other one also, so we'll soon find out on that. Over here I have little sugar baby watermelons, I believe is what they're called. Small plant. He's really kind of moved out since I got him in the ground out here, spreading out. And I do have one watermelon right here, and he's just a little guy. So hopefully he'll keep doing good, and we can keep watering and fertilizing him, and maybe get a couple more watermelons off of him later in the year, but that's fine and well. This pumpkin also came out of that batch. It's always flowered. I have never seen a female bloom on this plant. Only male flowers. So it's not ever straightened out either. It's just kind of bushed out, and it's been absolutely nothing. I've thought about even just mowing over it just because it's in the way. It's not serving me any purpose or doing any good other than just something to look at. So he may be on his way out also. I haven't fully decided yet. Overall, not a whole lot to say in the video. You know, getting into the hot portion of the year, nothing's gonna be doing a whole lot. Most of the stuff that's growing right now is some yard plants there at the bottom of the redbud tree there. Got a couple naked ladies, and got some potted plants here around the house. But other than that, not a lot happening out here. So I'd like to say thanks to everybody. If you've watched this far, I really appreciate it. If you watched this far and you're not subscribed, you might consider it. And if you're one of the newest subscribers I have, I want to go ahead and thank you for subscribing. I didn't expect this to go anywhere. So hope you all enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.